is there any place stated in the Quran that the Muslims should not eat a meat that is slaughtered by a Christian?
Brother asked the question that is there anywhere mentioned in the Quran that Muslims should not have meat slaughtered by the Christian? There is no verse in the Quran which says Muslims should not have meat slaughtered by the Christian. It says have the meat on which Allah's name is taken. So if you slaughter according to the Bible, as I mentioned in my lecture, having blood is haram in the Bible, it's forbidden. If you see the Jews, the Orthodox Jew, when they do kosher, they do it in the correct manner. Same as the Muslims do. They cut the jugular vein, they take the name of Almighty God. So if you slaughter according to the Jewish method, the kosher method, that is halal. But if you do the jhatka, just by slaughtering without cutting the jugular vein, not taking the name of Almighty God, it is prohibited. Whether Christian does it, whether Hindu does it, whether Muslim does it. Even Muslim slaughters against the style mentioned in the Quran and the Hadith, it is haram. Even a Muslim gives jhatka just by electrocution or just by cutting by one chop, it is prohibited. You have to cut in the way it is prescribed in the Quran and the Sahih Hadith. Hope that answers the question, brother.
Can we go back to the sister there? State your name, your profession, and if you have a question for Sheikh, please go ahead.
My name is Rose.